Hi friends, now we are seeing the ninth standard full scoring maths kit. Dr. Hukum Singh derived very beautifully, and this box gives the all contents is very clearly explained here from the both the materials and the contents in this box. Now let us slowly unbox this video series, the box. So let us bring out all the materials now. So the materials we can see the two packets are there, two envelopes are there, two books are there, two CDs are there, and we have the material box is there. We have catalog, we have videos, video CDs, and let us see one by one. This is a talent hand note, a mail note, and this is our maths lab in the CD. As well, this is the video tutorials of 9th standard, and everything is explained behind. We have two books. This is demonstration book, and the one is this maths project book. This demonstration book have the each formulas, equations are clearly written and explained with colors, and students can easily demonstrate by using the materials. This is the catalog, and we have the workboard, and we have the shapes, and shapes is we all the different type of shapes. The elder students, high school students can prepare this slowly, all the hexagon, the cubes, the squares, and everything which is very perfectly and colorfully designed. Now let us see the mathematicians as well as the activity charts. See, in the beginning we can see the graphs. These are hidden picture. There is a coordinate geometry is there, so slowly we can work with this. And we have the mathematicians called Macaulay as well as Ramanujan, Charles Babbage. Now let us see some activities. Missing line magic is there, cut the cross, as well as here the sequential inputs of 9, age detector table, irrational numbers. You can see the colors. Yeah, it is very easy by seeing, by learning this. And sequential inputs of number 9. Binary numbers are there, and fallacies of mathematics. We can see the total definitions in the page. In page number 2 we can see another fallacies of mathematics, and the next page we can see another one, what is 1 is equal to 0, and the green color you can see the another 2 is equal to 1 fallacy. So these are very beautifully designed, and we have area of circle is, and cyclic quadrilateral, Pascal's triangle, and chorus and angles, chords and angles, sequential 8th and 9th. Okay, now let us see the box. So the box, we have the materials. See, this is cubes, Soma cube. You can see the colored cubes here. The total number is explained. Chords and angles is explained here. Areas of the circle is the tangram is here there, and chords and tangrams. Tangents is here. Concentric circles are there. Circle parts are there. Basic proportionality theorem is there. A plus b all square, annular ring, circle chuck, a plus b all cube, clinometer, binary cards, Mobius rings. See now the Tower of Hanoi. See the good scale as well as the pin box. Now let us see one demonstration. This demonstration is very important. In the demonstration book, we can see the page. Immediately we can see the page. This is, we can do a plus b all square is equal to a square plus b square plus 2ab. So we have the two ab's here. You can see the material in my hand. Two ab's are materially colored in the orange one, and the yellow one is b square, and the rose one is a square. The big a square, small b square, and ab's are together, and we have two. When I am keeping this 2ab. So that's all this demonstration, and thank you and God bless you. Hi friends, now this is the full unboxing video. So now you go to the below description to find the details.